Hello guys, good day. On this video, I will show you what is the difference between too much wire and too much ampere in MIG welding. First, I will perform low voltage. Okay guys, let's go guys. I will show you how to determine if your wire is appropriate to the ampere you apply. Okay guys, if you weld like this guys, like this, like that is happen if your wire is too much. Okay, see that? Too much wire. And if your ampere is also too much, this is the too much ampere guys. You see, like a water. The difference of your welding. And I will show you the normal guys. Like that. You see the sound? That is normal ampere. So that is low ampere guys. Too much wires, low ampere. And this is too much ampere, slow wire. So, and this is the normal.